Good morning, children. Welcome to Read and Learn. Today, let's learn about English alphabet. Are you ready, children? Let's begin. This is letter A. A says A. A is for ant. A. This is letter B. B says B. B is for beaver. B. This is letter C. C says K. K is for cat. K. This is letter D. D says D is for dog. D. This is letter E. E says E. E is for elephant. E. This is letter F. F says for flamingo. This is letter G. G says G. G is for goat. G. This is H. H says for horse. This is letter I. I says E. E for iguana. E. This is letter J. J says J. J is for jellyfish. J. This is letter K. K says K. K is for koala. K. This is letter L. L says L. L is for lion. L. This is letter M. M says M. M is for monkey. M. This is letter N. N says N. N is for narwhal. N. This is letter O. O says O. O is for owl. O. This is letter P. P says P. P is for penguin. P. This is letter Q. Q says Q. Q is for quail. Q. This is letter R. R says R. R is for rooster. R. This is letter S. S says S. S is for shark. S. This is letter T. T says T. T is for turtle. T. This is letter U. U says is for umbrella. Another sound of letter U is U. Same sound as you pronounce itself. For example, U is for unicorn. U is for utensils. U. This is letter V. V says V. V is for vampire bat. V. This is letter W. W says W. W is for whale. W. This is letter X. X says X. X is for Cynorus. X. This is letter Y. Y says Y. Y is for yak. Y. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Z is for zebra. Z. Good job, children!